What's up, members? Take a look at this. Netflix stock had that brutal rejection, 10% down from $76. This is something that we could have seen coming. Now, while it's going down here, looking for the next support level, there is a big gap that has to be filled. I would just put this on your radar. Netflix all the way down to about $58 per share to 57 is something that is potentially going to happen. You can see I have a little bit of support right here, but the real support comes down to $54. You can see it line up right here. I would be watching this for your entry. This is most likely going to be the bottom for Netflix. Another stock that we've been talking about is Oracle. Oracle stock, we're doing updates on this, weekly updates, because it is continuing to move lower. Now, if you haven't looked at Oracle stock went from 249 all the way down to $135 per share, but it has gone lower now. Now it's up to 120. It's 52% down. We're having some weakness in the overall semiconductors due to the AI movement infrastructure. This is interesting play right here. It is moving towards this level that we have been continuously talking about, where we can finally get a position in them around $120 to $116 per share. I'm getting many comments on YouTube saying that, hey, I'm buying at $117. So it's interesting to see what other people are talking about here. We're getting overall weakness here. You're getting a pullback. Look at MU stock. MU, the giant. This guy right here, Micron Technology, down to support level around $800 per share. It is bouncing. This is something you should be considering. Looking at the previous resistance levels, now you can look at the level 2, compare. Is this a spot where you want to buy? I definitely would be paying attention to this. If you're afraid to buy individual stocks, then look for your ETFs and go from there. Also, look at Microsoft. Microsoft has definitely tricking a little bit here. It's got to reclaim this $400 level. We were holding right around here, around 390, and now this support area is starting to break. So if this overall weakness comes in, Microsoft needs to hold this level. It's a good break and retest, but we got to get above back to $400 per share. It is pulling back, which looks healthy, to the support level of 390. But if we break 390 on Microsoft, we're in trouble here. This is something you need to continue watching. And last but not least, I would definitely keep your eyes on this stock. It is very interesting to me. It's starting to pull back, and this is something that has really taken over, which is Google. Google stock is trending in this area. If you look at the 1-year chart, this is the support level. Let me show you really quick just so you can see. Rejected this 373, making that move lower. So you had this rejection followed by this rejection. And here's your third and final rejection with this big red candle coming in. Now, this is the ultimate support level right here at $344. We're going to see we are approaching that right now. Look on the daily right here. When we zoom in on the daily, we're at $347 per share. We're approaching this 346. So I definitely would keep that on your radar. That is something you need to watch. And if you're looking for something more riskier, look for A-Lab. A-Lab is interesting due to this AI infrastructure, 500 now pulling back to 306. Definitely something to pay attention to. Even AMD is starting to pull back looking at this. It is interesting seeing all of these semiconductors, all the AI stocks start to pull back. And I want to go over everybody's favorite beloved stock. We have SpaceX. SpaceX, now if you haven't research SpaceX at all, 230 all the way down to pre-IPO at 135. We are continuing to bleed. The sellers are coming in, and this is healthy in my opinion, very healthy. It's a healthy move down. We've been predicting this, waiting for this move lower, continuing to wait. And if you want to be interested, you could always check out the WAP where we are looking where we're going to enter these positions. You're starting to get some stocks on sale, so you better open up your wallet and start buying because these stocks are definitely getting interesting as we move forward here.